If you cannot find factory notch door jamb material at your local hardware store, make a precise custom notch yourself using common workshop tools. Start by measuring the door and hinge locations twice and record dimensions in millimeters and inches to avoid conversion errors. Transfer those measurements to the jamb blank and mark the notch lines with a sharp pencil and a square for exact 90-degree corners. For a clean cut, use a table saw if available. Set the blade height to match the hinge depth and make multiple shallow passes rather than one deep cut to reduce tear out. If you do not have a table saw, a circular saw with a guide works well. Clamp a straight edge and cut to the waist side of the line, then pare to the line with a sharp chisel. Practice the full sequence on a scrap piece of identical thickness to confirm fit before touching the final jamb. Finish the notch edges with progressively finer sandpaper by hand to ensure the hinge sits flush and the door swings without binding. The most common mistake is cutting too deep, which prevents the hinge from sitting flush and causes binding. Stop and test fit after shallow passes and use a spacer block to protect the finished face. Another frequent issue is inaccurate layout leading to misaligned hinges and a crooked door. Prevent this by marking the jamb and door at the same reference points and measuring from a fixed edge rather than from the hinge mortise. A third problem is tear out or splintering when cutting near the finished face. Avoid this by cutting from the waist side using sharp blades and supporting the workpiece with sacrificial backing or making shallow, incremental cuts. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like door jamb replacement. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, plans, and practical advice for custom solutions.